In this video, we'll show you how to back up an iPhone. iPhones can be backed up wirelessly via iCloud, or by connecting them to your computer with a cable. Here's how to back up your iPhone to iCloud. Go to Settings, tap your name, iCloud, Icloud Backup. Toggle on iCloud Backup to automatically back up your phone daily when it's connected to power, lock, and on Wi-Fi. Or tap Backup Now to back up immediately. Here's how to back up your iPhone using a Mac. First, connect your phone and computer. Open Finder, select your phone, click General, select Backup all of the data on your iPhone to this Mac. Then click Backup Now. Here's how to back up your iPhone to a PC. First, connect your phone to your computer. Open iTunes and select the phone button. Then click Summary and Backup Now. Like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.